Hi, first graders. I'm so excited to read chapter 3 today in Afternoon on the Amazon. In this chapter, you are going to learn some facts about the rainforest. You are going to see that Jack and Annie are going to quickly learn that in the rainforest, life is very different depending on what layer of the rainforest you are in. As I'm reading this, see if you can listen for what the 3 layers of the Amazon rainforest, what they are called, because they have special names. Here we go, chapter 3, yikes. Jack opened his eyes. The air was hot and steamy. It looks like we landed in some bushes, said Annie. She was peeking out of the treehouse window. Peanut was peeking out of Annie's pocket. Jack peeked out of the treehouse too. They had landed in a sea of shiny green leaves. Outside there were flowers, bright butterflies, and birds, just as in the book. That's strange, said Jack. I wonder why we didn't land in a tree, the way we always do. I don't know, said Annie, but let's hurry and find the thing for Morgan so we can get back home before we meet any big bugs. Wait, this seems weird, said Jack. I don't understand why we landed in bushes. I'd better read about this. Oh, come on, said Annie. We don't even need the ladder. We can just climb out the window. Annie put Peanut in her pocket. She stuck one leg out the window. Wait! Jack grabbed Annie's other leg. He read. The rainforest is in 3 layers. Thick treetops, often over 150 feet in the air, make up the top layer. This is called the forest canopy. Below the canopy is the understory, then the forest floor. I'm going to pause there for just a minute. Did you hear the names of the 3 layers of the Amazon rainforest? Let's say them together. Ready? Canopy, understory, forest floor. Okay, so as Jack and Annie's adventure continues, you're going to see that things are different in those different layers of the rainforest. One more time, let's say them together. Canopy, understory, forest floor. Here we go. Back to Jack and Annie. Get back in here, cried Jack. We're probably more than 150 feet above the ground in the forest canopy. In the canopy, in that top layer, you're seeing birds and butterflies. Yikes, said Annie. She slipped back into the treehouse. We have to use the ladder, said Jack. He got on his hands and knees. He moved leaves away from the hole in the floor. He looked down. The ladder seemed to fall between the branches of a giant tree, but Jack couldn't see beyond that. I can't tell what's down there, he said. Be careful. Jack put the rainforest book in his backpack. Then he stepped onto the rope ladder. He started down. Annie followed with Peanut in her pocket. Jack pushed through the leaves. He came to the understory below the canopy. He looked down at the forest floor. It was very far away. Oh, man, whispered Jack. The world was completely different from the one above the treetops. Now they were out of the sun. It was cooler. It was also damp and very quiet. Jack shivered. It was the spookiest place he'd ever seen. Well, friends, did you hear how different it was in the canopy versus the forest floor of the Amazon? In the forest floor, down below, the bottom level, it was cooler and damper. And Jack even described it as the spookiest place he'd ever seen. I can see why this chapter was called Yikes. Tomorrow, we are going to read chapter 4, Millions of Them. Now, I am thinking, I already know that there are lots and lots and lots of insects in the tropical rainforest. So I am predicting that in chapter 4, Millions of Them, that Jack and Annie are going to run into millions of insects. All right, stay tuned for chapter 4. Can't wait to read with you tomorrow, friends.